Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. If you're new here, I want to say thank you for stopping by, and if you're a return subscriber, I want to say thank you for sticking with me and keep coming back and viewing my videos. I appreciate that very much. In today's eye look, I am using the VISEART palette again because I want to make some other eye looks from this palette because I really love the formulation. It is nice, it is smooth, I love it. I'm creating this eye look with the VISEART palette because I want to make some other eye looks with it. I'm using 4 of the brushes that I did win from my 5 brush set on YouTube. I'm not finished. I'm getting ready to complete this look and I will be back to show you the finished look. I am back with today's makeup of the day. I use the Libertine VISEART palette. I use these 4 colors. This color is all over my eyes. In the beginning, if you watch from the beginning, you'll see when I put it all over my eyes. This color right there, I put in the outer corner to darken it and bring it this way. This color is here and all the way back this way. This purple is right here in the inner corner and in the lower lash lines. These are the colors that I used today out of this palette, and this is what they look like in the palette. The blue, which is this one, first color, second color, third color, fourth color. And then my little hairpiece just arrived. Some spot in this. This will be my new hair for as long as I feel like wearing it. The lipstick I am wearing is the Wet n Wild Duo Stick. The blush I am wearing is from the Berry Spice Alter. This one right here. That is it. This is everything for today. Today's motivational word is, I am liking the hair, I am liking the hair. Today's motivational word is seek peace within you. Seek peace within you. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. This is the look for today. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. This.